What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another video. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Join along for the ride. Let's get into this video today. Oh, I don't know if we're going to be foggy at all because it's pretty muggy out today. It's a hurricane. Tropical, I think it's downgraded to a tropical storm at this point, but tropical storm Henri. So can't do anything outside the garage. Do have a new grill to install in the Mustang, but we can't do that because current situation. I got a little motivation today. I'm gonna try to fit the rear bumper, like I guess like 100% on the 198. So looking at this thing, first of all, that's like the bash bar for the their actual bumper piece for the back. But when it mounts up on here, it's basically flush with this. So it's kind of in a bad, I mean, it's not a bad spot, but it's kind of hard to like get your hand or anything in there to actually affix the bumper to it. Because I want to try to drill holes here so when it sits in there I have 1 and 2 holding it on, and then I got the 2 on the sides. So I'm going to see if we can get that done. Already started drilling out. I drilled this out. I got 1 hole there, 1 hole there. I'm going to try to throw this on the car. I have, where's my hardware? I don't think I'm going to be able to get one of these clips in because of the tight space, even though I have a bunch of random different body clips. Might see if I could get one of these in first. If not, we're just going to nut and bolt it with one of these, so like that. And then I guess we'll just wind up painting that black so you won't see it, but this is all I can think of right now. I don't know if we could hear right now. It's downpouring. So I'm going to do my best to set you up in a spot where you can see what I'm doing. I'll try to explain as I'm going along. Probably going to be a little pain in the ass, but main goal is to get this back bumper mounted up so then we could like get it really official, firmly mounted up, so then we could just start working on other pieces slowly. Because I do want to try to get these rear flares mounted at least. Not sure about the fronts, but definitely I kind of want to get the rears mounted. So definitely need the bumper on. Might actually snap these pieces back on the trim there too. Not sure. We'll see. See how far we get. I seem to have underestimated the disgustingness of this weather. Horrible. The bumper's on very firmly. It's not the best mounting, but I will fix it eventually. This is kind of just to get the kit on, just to get the bumper on pretty firmly, and so it's not going to move anywhere, and then I could start fitting the fenders, hopefully. But we'll take a look at it, even though it's going to be basically the same. Basically the same. So I think I might do, well, this one, that's actually, there's no nut attaching it at the bottom. This one is attached nice and on there, and this thing is not going anywhere. These side pieces, I need to figure out a better mounting solution for that. I might figure something out to, like a piece of metal to come off in there, and then maybe something to hold it down here instead of up here. Well, something just to hold it in place so it doesn't pop out, but like mainly deal with the mounting down there. Same on the other side, because these clips, they don't look the greatest, but the fender should cover it, and they're also into the trim piece, the body plastic gray thing. I was gonna clip all these. I clipped that one and I was gonna clip them all in, but I lost those guys. But let's look at the fender. This one-handed. Now look how far this gap is. There's a piece back there. I could probably cut that, but push it in. Could have cut a lot of the fender out, but So I decided, since the bumper probably isn't enough footage to put out a decent video for you guys, I decided I'm going to mount this little piece in between the wings. So that, actually, let me take it with me. If I could pick it up. Okay. It goes here. Let's get this mounted. Here we have painter's tape along that edge there. I mean, you saw it was there already from last time, but there's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I basically just held this up on it, rubbed it back and forth a little bit. I centered it with my finger. I made a gap on each side, about a finger's gap. Put it on there, wiggle it a little bit. Got a mark there, mark there. I think that's a mark on that one, but I'm going to leave those two. I'm just going to drill the 2 outside ones. Then I'm going to do this again, I think, after I get that mounted in a spot, and then I'm going to figure out where those got to go. And since we're going to be drilling through the trunk, just give a quick look to make sure there's no bolts, no wires on the other side. Doesn't appear to be, but this also appears to be in a horrible spot that we're going to have to deal with to get that bolt through. Is what it is. If anything, we'll drill a nice large hole through this little extra piece here. I don't know if you can see where we're looking here. If anything, we'll drill an extra piece through this. How there's like this skin, because looks like this bolt is going to come from this back corner. We're going to pull this wire down when we drill it. Do anything else really? Whatever this wire is there too. Going to do that. Probably going to have to debadge it. Let's get drilling. Make a little pilot hole. This is a 1/8 inch bit. Send it with 1. Pretty sick. So I still have the slider on. Yeah. So I know this isn't the 190E content all you 190E people were waiting for. I mean, it is fitting the body kit. I know you want to get to the good stuff of mounting the fenders. I'm gonna get to that. Got to build up some motivation. Today helped a little bit, but so far mounting everything on this car is kind of annoying. There's always like little annoying problems with it. Not really problems, but like little annoying things you got to deal with. No big deal. I'll get to it. Definitely want to start doing the rear fenders. From what I could tell, it's probably going to need a lot of body work. It is what it is. It is a cheaper kit. As you saw in some of that slider footage, which I'll show again, I guess one of them, it does need to be debadged, because especially that 2.3 badge on the passenger side, because when we do the motor swap, it's most likely not going to be a 2.3. False advertisement. We'll probably just wind up blacking out the 190E badge and leaving it like that. No Mercedes, Benz. It doesn't matter. You'll see it eventually. Got to figure out what we're going to do with the motor swap. I have a couple ideas. I'm going to make a video of pros and cons. That one's coming up soon. Hit that subscribe button for more 190E content, 240SX content, Mustang content, Colorado ZR2 content. Whatever content I can make. Just try to keep the videos coming at you guys. I appreciate the support. Share it with your friends and all that good stuff. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and do race car things, I guess. Bye.